Hi, and welcome to my cold lab. A bunch of people have asked how I get the snowflake pictures that I take. So step one always is, when there's a forecast for snow, bring a microscope home from school and set it outside here in the cold lab, because the microscope and all my tools have to be cold. Step number two is put on all the warm clothes I have, because I'm going to be sitting down for quite a while and it's a cold thing. So let's go out and collect some snow, and I'll show you how I do it. I take a dark piece of paper like this, and I just reach out and catch some actively falling fresh snow. You can see there's a variety of snowflakes here. Let's go in and take a look. Very carefully, with two small paintbrushes, I search around in the newly fallen snowflakes, and let's take a look at this one. I try and gently pick up the snowflake on one of the paintbrushes, and carefully place it down on the microscope slide. I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to edit this out, but zoom in. Now, using this bracket that I printed on the 3D printer, I have my phone placed in here, and I need to position the snowflake very carefully right underneath the microscope. And since I'm using mittens, it's always a little bit difficult, but I often use my nose to establish the focus, and then go ahead and take the picture also using my nose rather than a finger. Let's take a look and see if we can find another one. Very carefully, right on the edge of the paintbrush, and place it underneath the microscope. Most of the time I only use the lowest power of the microscope, because a higher power is really too much for the size of typical snowflakes. So I'm using approximately 40 power. Position it and take the picture. You ought to give it a try sometime if you have access to a microscope. There's a world of different snowflakes out there.